everyone, this is me, Muhammad Hasnain, once again with all of you people today. And today we are continuing our one and only reading and listening exercises with our book, Ikigai. Today, as you guys know, last time we had read about none other than the one and only Microflow, enjoying mundane tasks, and we had finished off on page number 47. So today we are going to be reading another page and another chapter, and we are going to be starting with page number 48. So if you have another Ikigai book with you, read along with me, and if you don't, you can also listen and learn. So importantly, the main thing is that you can listen, you can learn, and you can grow. Instant vacations, getting there through meditation. Training the mind can get us to a place of flow more quickly. Meditation is one way to exercise our mental muscles. There are many types of meditation, but they all have the same objective: calming the mind, observing our thoughts and emotions, and centering our focus on a single object. The basic practice involves sitting with a straight back, focusing on your breathing. Anyone can do it, and you feel a difference after just one session. By fixing your attention on the air moving in and out of your nose, you can slow the torrent of thoughts and clear your mental horizons. The Archer's Secret. The winner of 1988 Olympic gold medal for archery was a 17-year-old woman from South Korea. When asked how she prepared, she replied that the most important part of her training was meditating for 2 hours. If you want to get better at reaching a state of flow, meditation is an excellent antidote to our smartphones and their notifications constantly clamoring our attention. One of the most important mistakes among people starting to meditate is worrying about doing it right, achieving absolute mental silence, or reaching nirvana. The most important thing is to focus on the journey. Since the mind is a constant swirl of thoughts, ideas, and emotions, slowing down this centrifuge even for a few seconds can help us feel more rested and leave us with a sense of clarity. In fact, one of the things we learn in the practice of meditation is not to worry about anything that flits across our mental screen. The idea of killing our boss might flash into our mind, but we simply label it as a thought and let it pass around like a cloud without judging or rejecting it. It is only a thought, one of the 60,000 we have every day. According to some experts, meditation generates alpha and theta brain waves. For those experienced in meditation, these waves appear right away, while it might take a half an hour for a beginner to experience them. These relaxing brain waves are the one activated right before we fall asleep, as we lie in the sun, or after we take a hot bath. We all carry a spa with us everywhere we go. It's just a matter of knowing how to get in, something everyone can do. We had read this chapter before as well, but I wanted to read it again for more clarity, as last time we had a few things left out and a few mistakes in the reading. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. And if you had learned anything, it's important to understand that the most important thing in any form of meditation is to understand that it's not about being in the nirvana or just reaching that nirvana godhood level of calm, but it's more about the journey of reaching there and the journey of being calm and being happy. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and Allah Hafiz.